We used a mixture of giant screws and pedestals on concrete blocks to hold up this 9 by 3 meter lean-to log cabin. And I'll be honest, there was a lot of things I did on this job that I've not really done before, so let's dive in. We ended up using 30 ground screws and around 10 to 15 pedestals just to make sure the floor was nice and firm, because as you know, the foundation is the most important thing with these. I also bricked up this doorway that isn't being used anymore using a mixture of concrete blocks and 5 courses of red bricks, which will make sense later, I promise. With all that out of the way, we're ready to unwrap the cabin itself and start setting everything out. This is a 68mm thick building that we've supplied, and to screw it all together, we're using 180mm wood screws, just like we do with every project. With the first few rows on, it's now the tricky bit, and it's how we're joining this to the existing building. Now, I've already siliconed up a vertical damp-proof course, and then I'm siliconing up this U profile, and then I'm plugging and screwing this to the wall, making sure it's perfectly plumb. It's just a case of repeating this for the other side, and there's 2 more to do for some internal walls, which we'll get to a little bit later on. But for now, it's on to assembling the bulk of the cabin structure. Montage commence. Now, if you want to see part 2 of this build, smack that follow button and leave a comment so part 2 finds you again. And if you want to win some tools, check out the link in my bio. Jordan, over and out.